Hey everyone, okay, I got my Cocoa Daisy in. Let's see what we got. I didn't get to see any sneak peeks, so I'm not sure. Okay, let me just take it all out. Boop, boop, boop. This is, what is this one called? Orchard Path. You always get this card and a message from the owner, and I just think that is the sweetest thing. It's from Christine. Oh, numbers. Love that. Cool. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys, let me talk to you guys while I'm doing this. This is the, I don't know what is what. But anyways, I get the planner add-on, the Traveler's Notebook set, and then the Dory without the Dory. I always laugh every time I say that because I'm just like, you're an idiot because you should figure out what it's called, but I don't. So, yeah, my memory is just not that good to kind of pre-plan these things, I guess. That's the washi. I love getting the paper clips. So anyways, I am a planner girl. I haven't been into it as I've been in the past. I was buying kits of galore. And I have an Erin Condren, but I follow SPC, which is Scribble Prints Co., and I also get her monthly subscription. And I haven't been happy with my Erin Condren this year. I got the ring bound binder one, and I do not love it. I do not. I love these. These are patches. Oh, I love these. Are awesome. And I haven't been happy. So, but SPC came out with this. She just came out with her new love, you know, and that is the Aura. I think it's called Aura Estelle planner. And I finally got my hands on one the other day, and it should be here in a couple weeks or so. It's coming from Canada, but I guess it sells out really quickly. So she has restocks. But I'm going to try that one out. But it makes me laugh because I don't think I have it in here. No, it's out there. I have the A5 original from Cocoa Daisy, but I didn't really love it because I got into my Erin Condren. And now I'm just laughing because I have a ton of those that I was going to put for sale. And I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I might end up getting back into the A5, which is from Cocoa Daisy. And it makes me laugh because everything comes around full circle for me. I sell stuff to buy more craft stuff, and then either months or years later, I end up buying it again. And that is the cycle of what I do. And I'm like, so no more. So I'm no longer selling some of the, like my stamp sets. I had a ton of stamp sets. You get 2 of these, and I got rid of a lot of them because, you know, here I am, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I was like, you know what, you can only have the current stuff and things like that. And then I decided after a while, you know what, I don't want to sell anything. I don't want to sell. I want to buy it. I want the discount. I'm just going to keep it to myself. No big deal. And then I thought, why am I going to be getting rid of the stamps? So now I'm just keeping everything. But oh my gosh, I guess if I didn't originally, then I would have to move my craft room because there's just no room. And so it's okay, but in the meantime, I'm like, no more selling. No more selling ink pads, no more selling stamp sets, no more selling anything, dies, nothing. Just keep it all because it all comes full circle and I'm going to end up wanting it. And especially when my husband retires, we're going to have a fixed income. So in 5 years, I can't spend what I've been spending, you know, in the last couple of years. So, and everything also comes around again. When you're in the crafting world, everything comes around again. And it's just so funny because I had a Zutter bookbinding machine back in the day. Well, I sold it years ago. And guess what I just discovered? Those little golden books. The little golden books, I discovered those. And I just got a cinch. So because of that, hold on. I got the cinch. And I'm just laughing because I didn't even use the Zutter, and that is just too funny to me. So I sold it, you know, for like half the price of what I paid for it, and I never even used it. I never could figure out how to use it. This was before YouTube. And how cute. Oh, I remember what she said. She said she's not giving the die cuts, she's putting them as stickers now, which I think is a fabulous idea. It's a fabulous idea. I love that, because I was like, wow, these are crazy cool. And then so are these, but these are the normal things that we had in the die cuts last month, or the months previous. I love this. I love this idea. That's awesome. So anyways, all that to say that it all comes around again, and here I am, probably going to get the A5, depending if it fits the new planner I just got. The I think it's AURA. That to me is Aura, but it's in Canada, and Estelle, ESTELLE. So I don't know if the A5 will fit in it, because it's a 6-ring binder, I think it is, but I'm pretty sure it will. And then that makes me go, okay, should I get should I get this again? Oh my gosh, you guys, just you know, it's a good problem to have, you know. It's to be like, should I get the Cocoa Daisy A5, or, you know. So I'm glad I have that kind of problem, not, you know, not how am I going to feed my family this month. So I'm grateful. I you know, I don't want to talk like, oh my gosh, I can't, you know, like it's such a, problem, but it's not. It's just funny to me, because just your decisions are, you know, pretty funny. I love that. This is, so anyways, I'm just talking to you, but this is the standard stuff we get. I love this. I love the colors. I do. I love the colors. See, and I had these for sale also. Well, I don't have them for sale yet. I was going to have them for sale, but now I'm like, oh my gosh, maybe I'm going to end up keeping it. Oh my God, there's a fly in here. So, oh, look at the tag. The tag is amazing. So that is an amazing, amazing tag. And then the notepad. Isn't that pretty? It doesn't feel like your grandmother's kind of thing either. Your mom or your grandmother's sort of thing. It feels fresh and fun. So, and then you get the refills. So that was one. And then this is the TN. So that was the Dory. So, yeah. Cool beans. I like it. This is awesome. Uh-oh. Wasn't paying attention and I completely muffled it up. Oh, let me see. The knot. The knot. Ooh, another. Ooh, look at this washi. Ooh, this one's pretty. That is just gorgeous. You're going to see that stupid fly. Oh my goodness. These are so pretty. And see, and I was getting rid of these also, because it's a lot of the kit I don't use, and I figured, oh, I'll just sell it because maybe someone else can use it. And then look at, I have things collecting for like a year now. These would be good for Project Life also. You get a lot of them. Jeez, you get a ton of them. That's great. I can separate them and use them for my TN and my Project Life. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, they're like rubber something. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're just little rubber. Oh, cute. I like that. But I like rubber stuff. Get out of here. Well, I love getting the second tag. Oh, look at these. Look at, you see how sparkly they are? And I love the color. I don't have any of these kind of colors. Pretty. Oh, look at the stamp set. You always get a 3x4 stamp set. That's cute. And then you can put the little sentiments in it. So this happened. I love that. Okay, and then we've been getting 2 of these, and these are all just letters. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. Maybe you can see me. There I am. Oh, look at my PJs. Those are my PJs. This is my uniform. It's not my PJs. It's my uniform. And then, oh, see, these were also, now you get 2. These were also part of the die cuts that are now stickers. I like stickers personally, so hey, I love that. Oh, and you always get the sketch challenge and how to put it together. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So cool. So cool. Okay, so you get always double-sided of these. Let's see. Okay. Pretty. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Whites. It's like a birch sort of tree kind of thing. Beautiful. I do love the colors. They are pretty gorgeous. Fun. You'll see, so you can kind of use it like this if you wanted. Oh, look at that. That'd be cute. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, love that. Then here's the actual tan book. Oh, pretty. Let the good times roll. This is March's kit. Is this March's kit? What is February now? Yeah, so March's kit. Every flower blooms in its own time. How pretty. I love this kit, you guys, and I think I pay $73 for the whole thing. I love it. Alright guys, see y'all next month. Bye.